everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is Paletteful Packs Day. Paletteful Packs is a monthly art supply subscription box. This is the premiere pack for the month of December. And let's see what's inside. Open it up and you have some lovely red and green squiggles. Ooh. We have some palette knife, a whole set. Very nice. These are by Art Alternatives. Wonder what it could be. I'm thinking oil paint maybe. This is a gloss medium. So it says it's a general purpose acrylic fluid. So this is usually to thin out acrylic paints. Can also be used for a lot of other things, but let's see what their intended purpose is. Looks like we're painting. So we have some golden artist colors. These are acrylic, I believe, typically. This one is in red light. This one is white, titanium white. Benzimazolone yellow. You can tell I'm not a painter. Ultramarine blue. And permanent green light. So I love the colors that they chose because you have a red, yellow, blue, and green. So you can make whatever you want. Super long paint brush. It's a little frayed on the end if you can see that. It is a round 12 by Sapphire Robert Simmons. Never seen that brand before. A long canvas board. It is 6 by 12, also by Art Alternatives. There's the card. A small one. Same thing. It's 5 by 7, Art Alternatives. And a big one. 8 by 10, Art Alternatives. Okay, let's see what the card says. And we'll do a quick swatch for you. Paletteful Packs, so it's definitely acrylic. It tells you to start, squeeze some paint out of your tubes on a flat surface, so that's the back. So back to the front. It's got golden heavy body acrylic paints are known for their exceptionally smooth, buttery consistency. These colors offer excellent permanency and light fastness. No fillers, extenders, opacifiers, toners, or dyes added. Each heavy body color formula reflects the quality of its pigment. Retails for $23. And it's got all the colors, all 5 of the colors in there. So $23 for the paints. The gloss medium is useful for creating glazes, extending colors, enhancing gloss, and translucency. Man, I cannot talk today. Has an oil-like feel and a resinous nature that promotes flow and leveling. This is $3.80. The Robert Simmons brush, believe it or not, $17.59. I believe a little bit more if maybe the tip was protected during shipping because, I don't know, maybe you can see it there, how it's frayed a lot. Professional artist brush allows for control in painting and has enough resistance to perform perfectly every time. Guaranteed for life, just as they were when Robert Simmons introduced them in 1972. That's $17.58. The palette knife set is $3.59. Use them to mix heavy body acrylic. Canvas panels retail for, looks like all 3 for $8.17. So there you have it. We're going to paint this month. Getting started, make sure you squeeze paint your tubes in a flat surface such as a paper plate. Mix your colors, don't squeeze too much. Once it's dry, you can't use it anymore. Also, get yourself a cup or jar to rinse brushes. Man. How you paint is really up to you. Here are a few techniques. It tells you about traditional, dry brush, and a wash. They do a prompt. So Paletteful prompt rules are: make a drawing painting based on your interpretation of the prompt. Post on social media with the hashtag. Prompts they are weekly prompts. So we have library, everyday object, storm, and texture. So there you have it. That is the Paletteful Premiere Pack for December 2020. It is golden heavy body acrylic. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. And thanks for watching.